Today we are going to discuss a very commonly applied test. It is a torchlight test, and this is known as famously as the swinging flashlight test. So what you do in this test is that these are two eyes. Okay, this is your torch light. So you take the torchlight in front of one eye. Okay, wait, let me just refine this diagram. Or wait, this is the iris of one eye, and this is the iris and the pupil of the other eye. This is your torch. You take it in front of the one eye. This is the right eye of the patient, and this is the left eye, right eye. So when you take the torch here and you see the pupil constricts, okay, now take the torch here and you see that this pupil constricts. Normal. This is the direct light reflex. And when you now how to do RAPD? Take the torch light from here. Okay. For RAPD, how to do RAPD? Now you have seen that both the eyes have direct reflex. Okay. Now you observe one eye. Okay. For example, let's observe. You are observing. You are looking at this eye, and thrown light or torchlight on this eye. It contracted. You're not looking at the left eye, but it will contract consensually. But you are not looking at that. Now take away the torch and show it on this eye. This will contract due to consensual light reflex. Okay. Now take away the light and show it here again. Okay. If this right eye is normal, then the contraction will be maintained. But if this eye has some problem in the level of the retina, okay, or optic nerve, then there will be a relative afferent pupillary defect, RAPD. Why is it called so? Here, as you put the light, you saw that the pupil actually dilated. Then you took the light back here and you saw it constricted. Then you brought it back, it dilated. Took it back here, it constricted. That means that there is no efferent defect, okay, because the third nerve consensual light reflex is there and the third nerve is okay. There's no defect in the third nerve. But when you bring the light here, the retinal fibers are not, all the retinal fibers are not healthy, okay. There is a less number of healthy fibers compared to the left eye. That's why the signals are weak for pupillary constriction, and that's why there is a relative defect, relative afferent pupillary defect. There's not an absolute that there is no light reflex. It's just a relative, because direct reflex is present, but the consensual reflexes, direct reflex is present, consensual is also present, but the magnitude of the direct reflex is less compared to the consensual. That's why when you swing the torchlight from this part to this, the pupil dilates.